In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start a thread in Slack, your go-to platform for team communications and collaboration. We all know how essential it is to keep our conversations organized, especially when you're working in a busy team environment. Threads in Slack offer a fantastic way to delve into the specifics of a topic without letting the main channels get clogged with loads of messages. Let's get started. First, make sure you are in the conversation or channel where you want to start a thread. From here, you're ready for the first step. You need to move your cursor to the message where your thread will start. Look for the conversation details by clicking on the small icon that usually looks like a speech bubble with dots inside, or something similar at the top right corner of your screen. Clicking this will pull up a sidebar with some key details about your conversation. Now, the next step is to locate the options icon, often represented as 3 vertical dots. This icon is your gateway to more actions within the conversation. Clicking on these dots will present you with several options. From this menu, you'll want to find and select the option to reply in thread. Slack makes this pretty intuitive, as many users rely on threads to keep conversations neat and focused. You're now entering the space where the magic happens, the actual thread. Once you're in, you can start typing your message in the thread pane that appears on the right side. This is where you get the chance to respond to the original message and lay out your points or questions without disrupting the larger conversation happening in the main channel. As you start typing, remember that threads support all Slack message features, so feel free to add emojis, file attachments, or even mention someone using the @ symbol. After you've crafted your message and you're satisfied with its content, go ahead and hit the enter key to post it. Congratulations, your first message in the thread is now live. Your team members can join the thread by replying below your message. In doing so, each related response stays neatly tucked away from the main conversation, allowing everyone to dive deeper into the topic as needed. If everything has gone smoothly, you're already experiencing the success of starting a Slack thread. In summary, you navigated conversation details, accessed the options menu, replied in a thread, and posted your message. Remember, the key advantage of using threads is the ability to maintain an organized stream of communication without cluttering the main channels. Now you're all set to manage and participate in team discussions more effectively. Thanks for watching, and be sure to stay tuned for more insightful guides on improving your productivity and teamwork with Slack.